Such a dad move.
Hey Megan, can you help me with X-bar theory?
Actually, I was going to ask you for help. I'm having a hard time understanding this.
Let's talk through it together. Two heads are better than one, even if they're both full of wine.
Haha. Let's start with a basic phrase. How about an NP plus PP? The hot professor of syntax.
Like this?
Yeah.
Can we do the one replacement here?
What would that look like?
Well, if I tell you I met with the professor of syntax and you ask which one, I say the hot one, which shows that one replaces professor of syntax. The way this flat tree goes doesn't show that relationship, which is why we have to do X-bar.
So with X-bar theory, what does the tree look like?
This!
Okay. I want to try one with a verb phrase. Can you give me one?
Sell the cookies.
Okay. Does this look right?
Close. Remember that with the X-bar tree, the NP, the cookies, that's going to branch from V-bar, not VP like in the flat trees.
Okay, and that rule applies to adjective Ps and adverb Ps too, yes? They have to branch from the bar level, not the phrase level.
Correct. But don't forget the other so replacement rule that really only applies to adjectives. For example, Bob is very serious about Mary, but less so than Paul.
What's a different example?
The very hot professor of syntax is more so than the professor of research methods.
Is that replacing the very hot professor of syntax?
No, it's only replacing the adjective hot.
All right, want to try drawing a simple flat tree and then draw one with X-bar?
Okay, how about this sentence? We should buy a ticket for Pennsylvania immediately.
Okay, we have an NP we, modal T should, VP buy, NP a ticket, PP for Pennsylvania, and adverb P for immediately. Can we use one replacement here?
Yes. Remember the example in the textbook? I bought the big book of poems with the blue cover, not the small one. One replaces book of poems with the blue cover.
So that means that with our sentence, we can say we should buy a ticket for Pennsylvania immediately and Jade should buy one too?
Yeah, you've got it.
Okay, can you show me an example of do so replacement?
I'll try. Here's the sentence. He was reading the textbook with no glasses.
Does did so replace was reading the textbook with no glasses?
No, because remember that the tense has to carry over. So it would be something like, he was reading the textbook with no glasses and his wife was doing so too.
Oh, I see.